Manchester radar, going to say 304.
Police 04 radar, good afternoon. Connection 1033, pass message.
So is that 1035?
1033.
1033, do apologise. But we're 4 aboard from Arnhem, just riding on scene in the middle of the corridor at M6 Junction 10. Request basic service.
Police 04, thanks. Approach to Recycle Controlled Airspace, so you have radar control service, nothing known or seen to effect.
Sorry, I'm confused with that. I'm remaining on scene in the corridor and they just request basic service at the moment.
Police 04, Roger. Yeah, it's perhaps a little bit of a legacy thing, but inside the Loma Route, you're still in Class C airspace, so using radar control service.
Understood, fine, apologies. Radar control, please, still.
No problem at all. Degrees 7 knots, fly Alpha 1, runway 05 left, clear takeoff.
Line up and wait, line up and take off, 05 left, Aeroplot, 747.
Jet clearance, just operate within a mile of the zone boundary.
Police 04, no problem at all. Connect to the zone, as required, remaining clear for and above 1,500 feet.
Clear to enter the about 1500, please, 04, thanks. Radar for King 05 with the deck to the north now, will gear to either on 129.530, record 10,000, thanks so much.
King 05, Tuesday.
Airflight 7402, contact Scottish Control, frequency 133, decimal 0. Bye-bye.
133.8, confirm?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, take the Aeroplot 25, 7402, goodbye.